Welcome to a mind-blowing adventure, my fellow electrical explorers. Today, I'm about to reveal the hidden secrets of a mobile 20 MVA power transformer. And believe me, what I discovered on top will leave you in awe. But before we embark on this electrifying journey, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell, because you won't want to miss the shocking revelations that await us. Get ready to witness the unimaginable as we explore the mesmerizing safety devices guarding this colossal transformer. This is not your average transformer tour. We're going beyond the ordinary, uncovering secrets that will make your jaw drop. Are you ready to join me on this epic adventure? Then let's get started. From lightning protection to temperature monitoring, fault detection to pressure relief, these safety devices are the unsung heroes that keep this transformer safe and sound. Get ready to witness their incredible functionality up close. Our first safety device is the 13 kV low-voltage lightning arrestor. Its primary function is to divert high-voltage lightning strikes, protecting the transformer from power surges caused by atmospheric discharges. Safety first, right? Next up, we have the magnetic oil level gauge. This nifty device helps monitor the oil level within the transformer. It ensures that the transformer is properly lubricated and helps prevent overheating and insulation failure. Oil is the lifeblood of these transformers. Moving on to the OTI probe, which stands for oil temperature indicator. This device constantly measures the temperature of the transformer oil. It's vital in alerting us to any abnormal temperature rise, safeguarding the transformer from potential damage. Now, let's talk about the WTI probe, or winding temperature indicator. This device is responsible for monitoring the temperature of the transformer's windings. By keeping an eye on the winding temperature, we can ensure the transformer is operating within safe limits. The Buchholz relay. This clever device detects internal faults within the transformer. It works by sensing any sudden gas generation or oil movement, which can indicate the presence of a fault. When triggered, it initiates an alarm or a trip signal, protecting the transformer from further damage. Next on our list is the OLTC, or on-load tap changer. This device allows us to adjust the transformer's voltage ratio by changing the tap connection while the transformer is in operation. It helps maintain a stable voltage output and optimize the transformer's performance. Last but not least, we have the pressure relief device. This safety device is designed to relieve excess internal pressure within the transformer caused by faults or abnormal operating conditions. It ensures that the transformer remains intact and prevents any catastrophic failures. And there you have it, folks. The fascinating safety devices that keep this mobile 20 MVA power transformer protected. If you enjoyed this adventure into the electrical world, don't forget to subscribe to the electrical field for more electrifying content. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.